What if I told you that your SEO strategy is being slowly destroyed without you even realizing it? And the culprit? Voice search. That's right. In 2025, voice search is changing the game. And if you're not optimizing for it, you're already losing. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop it from ruining your SEO and how to use voice search to skyrocket your rankings. Here's the truth. Voice search is everywhere. With millions of people using Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri every day, search engines are changing the way they rank content. But most businesses are ignoring this, sticking to old SEO tactics. If you're still focusing on traditional keywords and not considering how people speak into their devices, your SEO is already falling apart. But don't worry, this isn't a lost cause. The question is, are you ready to change your strategy before it's too late? Voice search is ruining your SEO in ways you never expected. Here's how. People are using longer conversational phrases when they search out loud. Things like, "Where's the nearest coffee shop?" or "How do I fix a leaky faucet?" Traditional SEO focuses on short, punchy keywords that no longer align with how people speak. If your content isn't optimized for this shift, you're going to be buried in search results. And it's not just about getting ranked, it's about losing traffic to your competitors who are already ahead of the curve. The longer you ignore voice search, the further you'll fall behind. So what can you do about it? Let's break down how to fix your SEO and start winning with voice search. Use natural conversational language. Instead of focusing on short keywords, focus on long-tail phrases that sound natural in everyday conversation. Optimize your content for the questions your audience is asking aloud. Target local SEO and near-me searches. Voice search is often used for local queries. Things like, "Where can I find a pizza place nearby?" Make sure your business is listed on Google My Business and optimized for local search results. Focus on featured snippets. Voice assistants often pull their answers from featured snippets, the box of text that appears at the top of search results. Create content that answers questions directly and concisely to get featured. Speed and mobile optimization. People use voice search on mobile, so make sure your site is fast and mobile-friendly. Google ranks faster websites higher, and voice search users expect quick answers. By following these strategies, you'll not only stop voice search from ruining your SEO, you'll actually start ranking higher and attracting more traffic than ever before. Ready to fix your SEO and stay ahead of the competition? Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into more strategies to make sure your SEO game stays strong in 2025 and beyond. Don't let voice search be your downfall. Take control now.